More than 13,000 COVID patients are hospitalized right now in the state of Florida. That's far better than the worst of this surge. You can see the decline right there on this chart, but it's still too many. And the Florida Hospital Association says hospitals are at a breaking point. They are seeing more patients with less staff. 10 Tampa Bay's Angelina Salcido spoke to a nurse at AdventHealth Carrollwood's COVID ICU. As she learned, the staff there are just trying to buy their patients more time.
18 months into the pandemic, and nurses say they are seeing the worst of the virus right now. It is taxing. ICUs are packed and patients are dying. The staff here tell me they lost 3 COVID patients over the weekend.
I pray mentally. Hopefully nobody go today.
We're in ICU right now, in a COVID unit ICU. All the patients here right now currently is on the ventilator.
These patients at AdventHealth Carrollwood are critically ill, and the number of them keeps going up.
I'm going to see a patient.
Nurse Wei Chun Coat is just one of the nurses trying to save their lives.
You think hopefully maybe they'll turn around, but they don't.
Once they get to this point, Coat says most don't go home.
That one's not good.
The hardest part is they're not coming out of it. We're used to hard work, but we're not used to people dying such a short period of time. It hurts when you see them 36 years old, they have little kids at home, and you see their wife comes in, sits over there, and you're gonna tell them, you know, your husband that's not gonna make it. Sorry.
The emotions are hard to bear. Coat says their patients are young, most unvaccinated. And staff shortages don't make the job easier. They balance taking care of 8 to 12 patients at a time.
We kind of prioritize it. Which one looks like mostly unstable, and that's the first one we're gonna go. So we put all the resources all in that one.
Give her a little time, maybe she'll settle.
At this point, time is all that matters.
Can I buy you more time? Can I get you another day? Can I get your family to understand what's going on? Can I help you have a peaceful ending?
Healthcare heroes like Wei Chun fight to keep the community alive.
Do we need a lot of debt before the public to realize what important the vaccine and the mask is? It's a very simple thing to do, and we can avoid all this heartache.
That was an incredible look, and I'm grateful that she was able to give that to us, maybe to help those of you understand how important it is to get vaccinated. And hospitals tell us there is a critical need for staff, and some are even offering incentives to keep them. AdventHealth is one of them. They're offering critical shift bonuses, seasonal contracts with completion bonuses, and sign-on bonuses up to $35,000 depending on the position.